When you fall asleep, your body enters a different biological state, while your skin continues its normal renewal and maintenance processes. Your skin has several living layers. The outer epidermis protects you, while deeper tissue contains blood vessels, nerves, glands, and connective tissue. Tiny blood vessels in the dermis continue supplying oxygen and nutrients to living skin tissue throughout the night. Deep in the epidermis, new skin cells form and gradually move toward the surface as older cells are naturally shed. In the deeper dermis, fibroblasts maintain the connective tissue by producing components such as collagen and supporting the skin's structure. While you sleep, your skin keeps renewing, nourishing, and maintaining its living tissues. Your body is working for you every second. Feed it wisely.